Hi everyone. So in this lecture we will discuss about Mindscript okay underscore 2 files. So basically in this file we have a topic understanding JavaScript in HTML. So now here you can easily understand here like we need a HTML file here. This is HTML file and then JavaScript. So basically in this lecture we will discuss about JavaScript inside HTML file. Got it? So first we need to create the HTML file. Then in the HTML file, we will use the JavaScript. Got it? So here, let me here in this folder inside JavaScript, we will create the files. Okay. So here, don't worry about it. This source code. This source code is totally free for you. You have to get it from the GitHub. Okay. I will provide the source code in the descriptions. So let me here inside JavaScript create the new file. It is here we have a file.html file dot html. This is the extension of HTML file. Okay. So here this is your HTML file. So inside it here first of all we will declare the document type as a HTML file. Basically this tells in the browser how to read the files. Here doc types it is HTML. Then here we will create the HTML tag start with the HTML document and inside we will pass the props that is language English. Okay, by default it is a language English. Okay, but we will provide here language English means here attribute means the content language is English. So here HTML, this is what we have here HTML. Let me close here. Then pass your attribute lang is equal to English. Okay, in for English. Then inside it here we have another tag that is a body tag. Okay, this is a body tag contain everything that is a visual on the web page like text, images, button, etc. So let me first create that here. This is your it is not capital bodies. Then inside it as I have already told you whatever you write in this body tag here whatever it contains inside it that visible on the web pages like text images button etc. So let's here you can easily verify this is like h1 tag here write my web page. Okay, my web page just format a document. Now here we have this it is fine. So let me just execute this file HTML file. Here we have several methods of to execute your HTML files, but we have a simple method to execute that one here. We will always go with simple thing as much as possible. Here it is a simple thing here the command write start your file name HTML. Okay, here your file name. So in my case, the file name is what file dot HTML. So this is your file name file. So let me execute here. Here write the start and then your file name file dot HTML. Okay, so make sure that you have here your path it is correct. Make sure that here we have JavaScript directory. You have to must inside your JavaScript directory here in the terminals. Got it? Then let me just enter here in the terminal and you see here. Now you see here your HTML page. Okay, basically web page. Whatever you have data inside it. Then you write the start and your file name file dot html here html. This is your start here. Okay, because this is a command start your file name in my case we have file.html, so that's why file.html. So now you will see here your web page. Here my web page text, as I have already told you, whatever you put inside body tag here, whatever your body tag contain, data, images, button, text, okay, anything you will see here in the page. So let me enter. Okay, here in the terminals, so you see here my web page. Let me write here, this is a, let me inside it here h6 tag, then inside it here my web page mind underscore script. Okay, so let me check it here, refresh, and you see my web page mind underscore scripts. Good. So whatever you put inside body tag here, that, so here whatever you put inside body tag, everything it is visible in the web page. So I hope you got this point. Then remove this. Okay, so this is your body tag. Then here let me inside it, we will create another tag here like p tag. Here we will create an empty paragraph with the id name demo, and we will use this id in JavaScript to insert some text inside it. Here create. Okay, let me remove this. So inside it here p tag, and by default it is just empty string, and we will provide attribute id. It is inside a string demo. Here we have demos. Okay, so for now here it is fine. Then now let's move to inside minus script underscore 2, and you will see your first heading, it is a script tag. About script tag, guys. Okay, so we will discuss about first script tag. Here we have some definition that we have already put here. Like here we have add JavaScript to the HTML pages, write code between a script tag. Okay, here if you want to insert the JavaScript code inside HTML file here, then you need to must that code put inside a script tag. So inside file, here we have file, here we have not yet your script tag. So here this is the definition, like here write code between the script tag, and no need for type attributes. Type attribute means inside the HTML. Okay, not HTML, basically script tag. Here no need any attributes like type, it is a text in JavaScript. Okay, then with the help of this JavaScript tag, you will make the pages interactive. Basically, make it your web page dynamic. Okay, so it is very simple. So here we have some basic code, like how you can understand here. This is your script tag here. So here we will explain with the example. Let me copy this, then go inside your file HTML. Then inside it here you have to put that code. Here I have already told you, this is your JavaScript code, and this is inside your script tag here. As you have to read in the definitions here, no need for type attribute means this is here. Here you have to write like here type, then inside it here text / JavaScript. Okay, so here you don't need to type because browser already know it is JavaScript by default. Okay, you know JavaScript is a scripting language. It is already available inside your browser, so you don't need to write here any attributes. Like here we have defined no need for type attributes here. So this is your alert. Okay, welcome to JavaScript. So as I told you guys here, inside a script tag here, whatever you write inside it, the script tag in your HTML file, it tells the browser like, hey, this is your JavaScript code inside a script tag. So for me to document, let me open your browser. Then you see your alert pop-up messages. Let me phrase it. Then you see welcome to JavaScript. because of this one, this line of code here, alert. Here, welcome to the JavaScript. Okay. Then whenever you click just OK, and then you see your my web page. Got it? So now at this time you get little bit understanding about how to write JavaScript code inside HTML file. Basically, whenever you write JavaScript code, then you must put inside a script tag. Got it? Then we will move ahead. So here, let me comment in this code. That is fine. The next headings, what we have here. So here we have next topic, JavaScript functions and event. So here functions are reusable code blocks. They run when called by the name. Whenever you call the function by its name, like you see here, so message is a function name. So whenever you want to call, then here we have event on click. Just here you have to invoke that functions. Event here function automatically. Then make pages in response to the user actions. So how you can understand here, guys? So let me check it here, guys. Basically, this code you have to paste inside the HTML file. Let me here. We will paste in that code. File.html. Here it's below. Paste in that and remove this code. Okay. Basically, we need. Let me remove manually. This is your code here. It is fine now. So here we have the function. Okay, this is your JavaScript functions. So I have already told you, whenever you write the code, this is JavaScript code, then you have to must put inside a script tag. So that's why here we have the script tag, and here we have your function, JavaScript function. Then if you want to execute that functions, okay, so you have to bind with the event. Here we have on click event. Whenever you just click on these buttons, click me, click me button, then you will see here your alert messages, alert pop up. So let me check it here. This is very simple. Whenever you click on this button, click me. Then let me check it here. This is let me refresh, and you see the button. Click me. Click me means this button, guys. Here, click me, and we have a event. Event. Whenever you just click on this button, just you have to execute your function. Show messages, and here we have your function. Show messages inside it. Here you have your code executed. Alert button clicked. So let me check here. Click me, and you see a button clicked. Got it? Click here. You see a button clicked. Got it? So it is very simple. Then we will move ahead. Let me here inside it. Here we will check another things. Here remove this is code, and then JavaScript in head. Okay. So here you see here we put your script code. Here is script tag inside bodies. This is your body tag. Here in the bodies. Here we have body tag. So inside body we have put your script tag, but you can put inside head tag. Here the definition is script load before page content. Then function define here can be used later. Page may load slower. Good for code needed throughout the page. So here we have some basic code about it. How to write your code here in the head tag. So here let me copy this code. Go inside HTML files. Then here on the top. So in the top here, this is your bodies. This is your bodies here. Then we will paste that code. Remove the comment. Here let me remove manually. In this, here remove all this commented, comment out, as well as here. So you see here, we have already told you whenever you write the code, basically JavaScript code, you must put inside a script tag. But here the condition is inside head tag. Okay. So here, if you put JavaScript inside head, it runs when the page starts loading unless you call it later. So here we have our examples. So inside it here, let's implement the logics. So this is your functions. Here change functions. Then inside bodies. Here inside bodies. Here what we have here, like let me write another text. Here demo JavaScript in the head. Demo demo JavaScript in head. So here we have our okay, here we made the mistake. Here we have added inside it basically demo. Let me remove the comment and then next thing here we will write in the text like a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Then here get by IDs. Here we will assess your IDs demo. Text in place of text. Here you have your demo ID. Here you know that here get element by IDs. You will assess your element with the IDs. So here we have ID and its value here attribute value. It is demo. So that's why you are able to assess this element and inside it here in the inner HTML. Here we have your inside it we have text or paragraph. Inside it here you will write in the text like paragraph changed. Got it? So paragraph change. Then here we have buttons. Let me comment. Okay. Here we have already comment everything. Then for this we will create a separate button. Copy it. And this code paste remove that code and inside it here let me execute your function on click and here you will function change text. Copy it. Then we will just execute here your functions. Okay, change text. You can write a type button attribute type is equal to button. So here the function is written inside it, but it only run when the button is clicked. So might able to see the text or paragraph, but whenever you click the button, say this button, then at that time you see here the page start loading unless you call it later. So whenever you call basically this button call, basically this button click me, then you will see here your text changes here here in place of a paragraph you will see a paragraph. So whenever you click on this button, then you will see here your paragraph change text inside p tag. Let me do that. So here this is let me refresh and you see a text or paragraph. But when you click on this button, then here the page start loading. So click here, click me and you see here. Okay, paragraph changed. When you click on this button, then page start loading unless you call it. So now after that we will move to the next thing here, JavaScript in the bodies. Let me earlier define everything here. JavaScript in the bodies. Here script load within the page contents. Then place it in the bottom for the faster loadings here. In this file, here you have to always put your script tag like this at in the bottom here, like this is your body tag. Here you have to also put here basically always bottom to the your bodies. Can access HTML element above them better for the performance. So if you write your script tag, you write the script tag in the body and bottom inside the body, then it will be load faster. Okay, that is it is usually better because it make the page load faster. The browser show the content first and run the script later.